Good morning. Today's lecture focuses on the concept of organizing as part of Managerial Processes 1 in MMPC1. Organizing is a fundamental managerial function that involves establishing relationships among people and resources to achieve organizational goals. It essentially converts plans into action by creating a structured framework within which individuals can work effectively. In simple terms, organizing answers key questions: who does what, with whom, when, and where. It serves as a bridge between planning, which decides what to do, and directing and controlling, which deal with how it is done. Now, moving to the concept of organizing and analyzing work, the first important element is division of work. This means breaking down the total organizational work into smaller, specific tasks. Such division leads to specialization, improving efficiency and expertise while avoiding duplication of effort. The second element is work analysis, which involves a systematic study of jobs, tasks, and activities. It includes job descriptions, which outline duties and responsibilities, and job specifications, which define the skills and qualifications required. This becomes the basis for recruitment, training, and performance appraisal. The third element is coordination, which ensures that all divided tasks are integrated into a unified whole, so that different parts of the organization work toward common objectives. Next, we discuss approaches to organizing work. The classical or scientific approach focuses on efficiency, standardization, and clear hierarchy. Thinkers like F.W. Taylor emphasized scientific management through time studies and the idea of one best way to perform tasks. Henri Fayol contributed administrative principles such as division of work and unity of command, while Max Weber introduced bureaucracy with formal rules and structured hierarchy. In contrast, the behavioral or human relations approach highlights the importance of human factors. Elton Mayer's Hawthorne studies showed that social and psychological factors influence productivity, and later theorists like Maslow and Hertzberg emphasized motivation, job satisfaction, and morale. The systems and contingency approach views the organization as an open system interacting with its environment, suggesting that there is no single best way to organize. Instead, the structure depends on factors such as technology, size, and environment. Work improvement and measurement is another critical area. Method study involves systematically examining existing ways of doing work to develop more efficient methods using tools like flow process charts. Work simplification focuses on eliminating unnecessary steps and reducing effort. Value analysis ensures that every activity adds value from the customer's perspective. Work measurement techniques include time study, where tasks are timed using a stopwatch to establish standard time, predetermined motion time systems that assign time values to basic movements, and work sampling, which uses statistical methods to estimate time spent on activities. Time and motion study further builds on this. Frederick Taylor is known as the father of time study, while Frank and Lillian Gilbreth pioneered motion study by identifying basic human movements and eliminating wasteful ones. The process involves selecting a task, breaking it into elements, timing each element, rating performance, calculating normal time, adding allowances, and finally establishing standard time. These studies help set fair output standards, improve methods, reduce fatigue, and support better planning. Ergonomics is the study of designing work, tools, and environments to fit human capabilities. It includes physical ergonomics, focusing on posture and movement, cognitive ergonomics, dealing with mental workload and decision-making, organizational ergonomics, covering work design and communication, and environmental ergonomics, addressing factors like lighting and noise. Closely related is workspace and architectural ergonomics, which focus on workstation design, seating, lighting, acoustics, and overall workplace layout to ensure comfort, safety, and efficiency. Finally, information technology has significantly transformed organizing work. IT enables flexible work arrangements such as remote work, supports virtual teams through collaboration tools, and reduces hierarchical layers by improving communication. Automation through systems like ERP and AI reduces routine tasks, while management information systems provide real-time data for decision-making. It also leads to job redesign and enrichment, although it requires new skills and adaptation. In conclusion, organizing is essential for translating plans into coordinated action. It involves analyzing work, applying suitable approaches, improving methods, ensuring ergonomic design, and leveraging technology. A well-organized system enhances efficiency, productivity, and overall organizational performance. Thank you.